and welcome back to another video. I'm Sean if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a ton of everyday cleaning. I'm really going to be focusing in on my living room area today, but we'll also be doing tons of organizing, a little bit of decluttering, some rearranging. So if you came for motivation today, I really do hope you'll find it here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment. Let me know that you are here and watching. Now let's get on into it.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine.
We really do live in our living room, so there are weeks where it gets extremely messy, and then there are weeks where it stays fairly clean. So I know I'm not alone with that. We just go with the flow here. I grabbed a broom to clean up under my sectional because y'all, moving it is a whole job, okay? But it really wasn't bad. I'll show you here what was underneath, and there were a few toys that went through the back of the couch.
Head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing lights, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like
So today's video is extra special, and you'll be getting double the motivation today because it's a collaboration with Becka from Happily Ever Becka, and I'm so grateful for this collaboration. I love telling you guys about new YouTubers, or maybe you already watch her. She is amazing. She gives out great cleaning motivation over on her channel. Becka is a mom of 3. She is also a military spouse. She's so sweet, so motivating. You guys do not want to miss out on her video. So once you are done watching mine, make sure you head over to her channel, show her some love and support, drop a comment, let her know that you came over from my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'll have her channel linked down in my description box for you guys to check out. Also, if you are coming over from Becka's channel, once again, my name is Sean. I'm so glad that you are here today. You decided to check out my channel and my videos. I am a mom of 2. I'm married to my husband, Jay. We live here in Mississippi, and I upload cleaning motivational videos, a little bit of home decor here on my channel once a week on Sundays at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. If you are comfortable, drop me a comment. Let me know who you are and where you're watching from. I love getting to know each and every one of you. Thank you to all of you for showing up today and watching, and I really do hope that you enjoy the video and get tons of motivation. really do love fall, you guys, and decorating for fall. So I've already put out a few pieces of fall decor. Now, I'm not doing a whole lot this year. I did the most last year and I really did enjoy it, but my mind is so wrapped up in just getting this house decorated for everyday, decor, because we just moved here, 5 months ago. I'm not even sure, you guys, but I'm still trying to just get my everyday look together. So it's kind of hard for me to switch over right now completely fall, but I am going to be adding a few fall touches. And of course, I'll be showing you guys how everything looks. My husband picked up those sizzling bacon sunflower seeds. I am a sunflower seed lover, but those, I don't know, they do really taste like bacon. I don't know if I enjoy that in a sunflower seed, but it's always good to try new things.
Strong, I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out of me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me.
Y'all, I'm kind of ashamed to admit this, but I think my snake plant is dying, and I think it might be my fault. I'm not sure. Now, in my defense, when my husband brought me this snake plant, he got it from Lowe's. He said that it fell over in the car, and when I got it, one of the leaves was already broken off, and I'm like, did you buy it like this? And of course he said no, but it had fallen over in the car, so like a lot of the soil and everything fell off, y'all. And I have not repotted that plant, and I feel so bad because the leaves at the top are starting to die, I guess, and it's really sad. And I moved it away from the vent to see if that'll help, but that's not helping. So if you have any tips to help me save this plant, is there any way I can save it once the leaves start to die? Please let me know, y'all. I cannot remember the last time I pulled out my old cedar mop to mop the house, but I thought it was necessary this day. And I'm just a lover of original pine saw. I love the way it smells and that it actually disinfects. So I'm going to go ahead and mop the entryway.
I feel your presence on my skin. I feel you spreading out within. This time you got a hold on me, 'cause now I look at you differently. Don't say I realized too late. Don't say you wanna give me space. Ooh, this time you got a hold on me, 'cause now I look at you differently.
the next day and it is still raining and still so icky outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with these cabinets behind the sofa. Things have just been shoved in here. When I got them, I was like, oh, this is a perfect place to store extra home decor and things like that, but yeah, that just did not stick. It has become a behind closed doors catch-all space. Okay, so I'm clearing everything out. We're gonna get this nice, cleaned, and organized. It's gonna look 1,000 times better. Okay.
Be so wrong. It took me way too long. Tell me real about you, real about the one. It's time I take you home. I feel your presence in my heart. You always there but not a part of. Oh, this time you're getting close to me. 'Cause now I look at you differently.
Things are already starting to look so much better inside these cabinets. I went ahead and pulled out all of the kids' homeschool stuff. I'm going to put that in another area a little bit later in the video. But for now, things are looking so much better. And I have a ton of floral stems and picks, and I've been keeping them in here. Now, this is not the best way to store them, and it doesn't look the best, but I do have to get a bin with a lid preferably, and I'll put those in there and probably move them to the garage area. We'll see how it goes, but for now they're in here and they're semi-neat, and I can still reach in here and grab anything I need when I want to change things around.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been walking through your stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like say something. 'Cause we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? It's like we're fighting. Do you even want it? Do you feel you need this?
So the TV stand also houses home decor and just extra things. So I'm just going to make this look a little neater. It wasn't as bad as the other set of cabinets, so this did not take me as long, but it definitely needed to be more organized.
Feels like I've been walking through your stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind.
So this side did look a little worse than the other, so I'm going to take a little extra time to get everything organized and sorted through the best way that I could. Let me know if there are any areas in your house that you have been putting off that you need to tackle, but you just kind of shut the door and it's out of sight, out of mind. I have a ton more areas, like my nightstands, my actual dresser, and it drives my husband crazy because he's like this super organized person. Like, I'm really clean, but I'm not the most organized. I'll be the first one to tell you that. And my husband's really organized, but he's not as clean as I am. So we kind of work well in that way, because he'll open my dresser drawer to put up my clothes if he folds them, and he's like, how does it get like this? But I'm horrible about keeping things like that organized, but that is something that I want to tackle soon. So let me know what areas you need to tackle around your home as well.
Love you better way. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight.
Alright, y'all, so this is how my TV stand cabinets turned out. And I think it looks good. Please don't worry, I am going to get a bin for all the florals, and I'll probably store those in our storage in the garage. But for now, that's where it's gonna go. So just some extra pillow covers. Showed you guys that. I did go ahead and stuff those pillows in there. Not sure they'll stay. Those are like room sprays, essential oil, and then my fabric shaver for the couch. Y'all, this is my favorite part. Like, get into the soft clothes. Oh, I love it. Okay, on this side, y'all have my kids. Hey. So on this side, hold on, babe. This side I have some extra like vases and decor here. And I think that looks really, really neat. And if I need to, I'm able to push things back and add more. But for now, this will work. I did find some like candles, so I'll put those behind the sofa back there. And then look at the floor. So then I'm gonna give the floor a good vacuum. In the dining area, I wanted to come in here and move around some things. We had put together this cabinet here, and it's just like the ones in the living room, but Target had actually sent us one that was damaged. This one is damaged, and you can't really tell, and if you can, it does not really matter. What matters is that it is going to store all of the kids' homeschool stuff, their books, and their curriculum for this current school year, and it's just so functional to have it right here in the room that we need it in, and I love it. I love how it turned out, and it has made school so much better. Now, I am going to rotate the table so that we can have more of a walk space, but you won't see it on this video. Stay tuned to my next one, because I got my rug and chairs, and we're going to be hanging our frames and stuff, so that is all fun. But for now, we're organizing all the homeschool stuff.
I left my past deep where I couldn't find it. Now when I'm low, I can easily fight it. Yeah, every time I breathe, I can feel how I let go.
Melissa and Doug has the best puzzles and learning activities and games for kids, y'all. And every time I see one, I have to get it. I typically get them from Target or Amazon, and they are pretty affordable, and the kids really love them. They're a good, busy activity where they're actually learning sensory, motor skills, and all kind of skills, and they're learning at the same time. So this is how these turned out. It looks so good. And now I'm just going to move my robot vacuum. This thing kind of moves all over the house, and get my vacuums put away. Where do you guys store your vacuums? Like, unless you have a huge laundry room, I feel like I don't have a great place to store all of my gadgets.
Don't have to try, I can deny it right.
Now we're going to quickly breeze through some laundry that had piled up, and I'm going to get it done as quickly as I can. I really wish I could fold laundry as fast as I can speed up a laundry scene on my editor, y'all. It would make life so much easier.
Ever since I turned around, all the little things I found, they were wonderful. Moving in a whole new space, take it to a different place.
Y'all, Bae, say hey.
Hey everybody.
I am so guilty of calling my husband all throughout the day because I had some great thought or idea or just anything I wanted to share. He is really, truly my best friend. I can tell him anything, and even if he is not interested, he will listen to me. And sometimes you just need a great listening ear, and that's what I have in my husband. And y'all, he's in the house with me. That's how sad it is. But we always call each other. He calls me too when he needs to tell me something, and it's just so much easier. So this last load I'm going to tackle belongs to my son, and I'm going to fold it really quickly. If you hear all the noise in the background, my kids are having a blast. We live here. I don't want to stop them from playing to do a voiceover and try to be perfect because that is just not realistic, okay?
From all the things your dirty mind won't you wanna see what's deep inside and take it for a mighty ride to get some from all fire and dime from all the things your dirty mind wants. Out of my mind, yeah, and get a little low. Take off your black, babe, and let me know. You can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. Out of my mind, yeah, and get a little low. I want to stop, but you let me know. You can see what I can see.
So I hope I was able to give you a little motivation to push through and get some laundry folded, get caught up on some laundry. I know a ton of you tell me you do not enjoy laundry and you'll put it off. See, I'm the type, I'll wash and dry and fold it, but putting it away, yo, I don't put the laundry away. Typically my husband does. My kids put up their laundry. Well, they help put away their laundry. And so teamwork makes the dream work. And now I'm going to finally vacuum up the living room and we can get out of here, okay? I'm tired of looking at it. I'm sure you're tired of looking at it. We are about to move on.
Let me know. You can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. Out of my mind, yeah, and get a little low. I want to stop, but you let me know. You can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we.
bathroom cabinet is another area where I just shove things in and shut the door because nobody's going to see it anyway. Who would actually be in my bathroom surfing through the cabinets looking for things? Even if we had guests, they would use the kids' bathroom. So out of sight, out of mind. But today it is on my mind and I'm going to get it organized. So I ordered these organizers from Amazon, really affordable, around the 20 something dollar range, and they're supposed to like slide out and make it easier to access everything, y'all. And I usually don't put things together. I'll be honest with you, like the instructions seem to be simple, but I always seem to miss a step or misread something, and my husband's like, just look at the pictures. But yeah, that doesn't always work out, but I was able to do this all by myself. Okay, I did not need any help, and I was so proud. And I really do love these organizers. I really do recommend them. But we are about to get underneath this cabinet looking way better. Okay.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I.
My fear when getting these organizers was that the drawers would not pull out because of how the cabinet is made. And as you can see, it does not pull all the way out, but it works. It's functional, and I'm going to keep them and see how they work long term. But for now, I think they do a great job, and everything turned out so much neater, you guys. I'm pretty much organizing hair products at this point. We have a ton of hair products, and yeah, it's never gonna not be like this. I'm always gonna have a ton of hair products, so that is something that is so important for me to keep in one place. And this entire underneath the cabinet area is pretty much hair stuff. Okay.
Just you and I, just you and I.
I was really hoping I could keep my cleaning supplies in this little organizer bin because it would look much neater, but as you can see, it did not quite work out that way, but that's okay. I still think things turned out neat. Now, I don't know if I'll keep my cleaning supplies like this. I may put them in the cabinet that we have in our water closet. They may be more functional. I keep extra cleaning supplies in there, feminine products, things of that nature. What kind of things do you store in your cabinet underneath your sink? Alright, this is how underneath my sink turned out. I thought I was gonna have room right here for the little bin, but it did not fit, but this will work for now. So this is mostly hair stuff. I have a lot of hair products, y'all, so I needed somewhere to put them. Now this drawer won't come all the way out, but that's okay. I can still reach everything I need. Same over here, more hair stuff and random. And then these, honestly, I'm thinking about putting this somewhere else because I don't use hair tools like this. Like, I don't use heat on my hair. So, you know what? I think I'm gonna take those out and utilize this better. But let's see. I have cleaning supplies, and then I have things that we kind of grab pretty frequently right here that I may put over here.
a girl with confidence. When I got a roll our hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down.
Now, after doing any type of organizing around the house, there is likely to be a mess somewhere around. And now I have to find somewhere to put some of those products and things that did not fit underneath the sink. And that's okay. I have a ton of other areas that I can put them in. But I'm also going to be cleaning my bathroom because it needed it. And who doesn't love a clean bathroom? In my bathroom, I'm going to be using this Sprayway all-purpose cleaner. It does a great job. Every time I use it, I just like to let you guys know that it does have a strong chemically type of smell to it, and if you are very sensitive to stuff like that, then I would not recommend it. But when I say it does a great job, it does a great job. I don't think I'll repurchase it, but I will use it because I have it, and it's a great cleaner. I can't take anything away from it, but the smell, I don't really like the smell. Maybe if it had a actual scent to it, it would probably smell a lot better. So if you've tried these cleaners in some of the other scents like lavender or I think lemon, let me know what you thought about it.
You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I called you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises?
For the glass, I am using the Therapy Clean Window and Glass Cleaner. I absolutely love this stuff. It works so good, y'all. And I am trying to use these microfiber cloths on the glass, but I just don't like it. I tried and I don't like it, and I know a lot of people do, but to me, it just does not get this seamless clean like when I use paper towels. So I'm going to have to go back to what works for me. Growing up, we always used newspaper, and when I tell you it gave a streak-free clean to your glass, y'all, if I could get my hands on a bunch of newspaper, I would, okay?
You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises?
Using soft scrub on my tub has been the best thing ever. I don't need any other cleaner. This does such a phenomenal job on my bathtub. It is my go-to going forward for this area. So I gave it a quick clean and rinse out because I do like to soak in the tub. I don't really bathe in the tub, if that makes sense. I do like to take showers, but this is just something that I do for myself when I want to relax and wind down after a long day.
There's no
to steam mop the bathroom floor today. So while that was heating up, I decided to go ahead and wipe down these cabinets because they had like little hairs and stuff on them. And now I'm going to finish off by steam mopping my floor in the bathroom today.
Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt. Time to raise it too loud. I'm gonna light up the sky.
So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you got some motivation to tackle an area in your home today. Open up some of those closed doors and closed areas and get something organized and decluttered today. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I truly do appreciate you. Also, don't forget to go and check out Becca's channel. You guys will not be disappointed. Her videos are so motivational, you guys. So don't forget to leave this video a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. And if you're still cleaning along and you need some more motivation, click this video right here. Let's get it all the way together, okay? I love you guys and there is nothing you can do about it.
'Cause I got that fire inside.